One of the significant challenges facing the chemical industry today is the pressure for sustainability. With climate change in the spotlight, consumers are taking notice. And while safety, service, and cost are still important aspects of the chemical industry, sustainability is becoming a more important detail. A big issue facing the chemical industry is that most people don't associate the words green with chemicals. The idea is progressive. Future chemists are working to help the industry adapt. And while it's not ideal to spend more money to create products, 1/3 of consumers do say they are willing to spend more money on products that promote sustainability. A major goal for sustainability is to reduce one's carbon footprint. And more than 3/4 of consumers say they are willing to change their carbon footprint. In the chemical industry, adopting modern environmental standards helps. This means choosing electronic vehicles over a petroleum-based combustion engine, or in manufacturing, selecting plant-based materials over oil-based. These things do help reduce carbon output. The chemical industry does have several issues to resolve before it can meet all these goals. One of these issues is plastics. Over 1/3 of the plastics that we use today is single-use, meaning that after just one use, these items are thrown away. Examples of these items are water bottles, Ziploc bags, and straws. The Plastic Waste Markers Index, which is published by the Menderu Foundation, calculated that energy and chemical companies are the source of half of the world's single-use plastic waste. With single-use plastics accounting for most of the waste that's harming our marine life and seeping into land when burned, many lawmakers and activists are acting to introduce a new form of recyclable and reusable plastic. Major oil spills in recent years have become a rising issue as well. One major oil spill was the Exxon Valdez off of the coast of Alaska in 1989. Over 11 million gallons of oil spilled into the ocean. Some more recent ones are the True oil pipeline spills in recent years and several tanker truck rollovers. The chemical industry is working hard to find new solutions to become more sustainable. One of these significant changes is to reduce the use of fossil fuels. The use of hybrid or electric vehicles has been on the rise. We've seen significant sales growth for these types of vehicles. While these electric vehicles are not yet popular in the trucking industry, many companies are working to build new electric trucks. Not to mention, President Biden's recent executive order aims at making half of all new vehicles sold in the year 2030, including semi-trailers, to be electric. Fossil fuels also play a part in plastics. Single-use plastics are made from polymers, and polymers are from fossil fuels. So as companies strive to reduce their plastic use, it simultaneously reduces the use of fossil fuels. However, with new rules to reduce single-use plastic items, the logistics field will need to find new sustainable ways to package items. Currently, products are packaged and shipped in some form of plastics. And although these seem like changes that people can make, for the companies that use or manufacture these products, these are some major changes to their business. And as severe weather and climate changes continue to be front and center worldwide, chemical companies feel the pressure to make these changes towards sustainability. Sustainability affects all aspects of the chemical industry, including their logistics. And here at Trinity, we're here to help you reach your logistics goals, including those on sustainability. We offer several modes of transportation, including intermodal, that can help you reduce your carbon footprint. And our team of experts can help recommend customized solutions, such as freight consolidation, which is another way to achieve sustainability with your freight transportation. We offer a transportation management system that can help gain efficiencies and data-driven insights into your logistics and sustainability. If you're looking for a like-minded logistics partner, we are here and ready to help. To learn more or to request a quote, please visit trinitylogistics.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay up to date on the latest logistics news and education.